Good morning, scholars. Today we're giving a preview to the folks on YouTube of our continued treatment of the pronouns in ancient Greek. This is our treatment of the demonstrative pronouns with some examples from Euripides. This full lecture is available on my Patreon site for the sponsors down there. So consider the $5 a month. That will get you full access to the rest of this course. Okay, so this one begins with the demonstrative pronouns. There are three demonstrative pronouns, hode, hutos, and ekenos, which refer to relative degrees of proximity. And I show how these get declined in the singular and in the dual and the plural. And then we go straight into these wonderful examples from the Heracles Furens of Euripides, pateraton Heracleus, hostastet debasa skon, etc., etc. Lycos, tain heptapurgon, tain despasdon pollen. You see the things in yellow are the demonstratives. And that continues on, and we look at these, and bomon katisdo ton de soteros dios, and I just talk about why each of these is what it is. And then finally we move to these other demonstrative pronouns which refer to quantity, quality, or size or age. Tosos de, toios de, telikos de, etc. And then you have combinations of these words with hutos, tosutos, toiutos, telikutos. We go into that. And then I show the chart at 340 where we put these all together, and you see how they compare the interrogative, the indefinite, and then the demonstratives, which what we're talking about, and how they constitute a system. Okay? A later lecture will have examples that flesh these out a little more, but this is just your introduction to the demonstrative pronouns in Attic Greek. Okay, so I hope you will become a sponsor on my Patreon site and get these full expositions. Have a good day and keep working on your Greek. Goodbye.